Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the garage. Happy Friday. So, we are less than a week away from Halloween. I cannot believe this month has gone so fast. So fast. So, first, I'm going to show you a couple of cute little things I found, or a cute little thing, rather, I found for 50% off. Look, it's a black pumpkin, y'all. Black pumpkin. Of course, I had to have that for a $1.99, right? Not a bad thing. So I actually got I got two of them. Oops, it's got glue strands. Anyway, $1.99 for my little black pumpkin. How about that? See, I liked him so much, I got two. Anyways, what I am here for is I'm going to do an unboxing. And this one is enabled by your friend and mine, Queen Osset, Oya's girl. Go check out her channel. She did a walkthrough on this deck, and it was like, I gotta have this. I gotta have this. This is my kind of deck. So, and I have not seen very many walkthroughs of this deck. So I'm very pleased to have it as part of my collection, and I'm going to get into it and share the Dark Mirror Oracle. I love this. When I first got this, I thought the box was damaged because of the crack, and then I realized it was the box. So how cool is that? Low Scarabeo, and they've got a hard box, huh? I'm loving that, loving that. So the inside is just black. And then, of course, we have the book and the cards. Yep, nothing fancy. Okay. So we have that. The cards are sealed, so I'll get into that in a minute. New book smell. New deck book smell. Okay, so we have our little white book, which is not so much a little white book. All right, so English is to page 46. 46 pages. So that's pretty cool. So it says, what is a dark mirror? So it says, then they have 5. Ooh. Each card within the Dark Mirror Oracle has an aspect relating to one of the following 5 concepts: the moon, grief processing, visual seed, sentence, going dark. Ooh, nifty nifty. Okay, so the moon is about the cycles of nature. Grief processing, pain, mourning, grief. They happen. They come, they stay, they can break us apart. So they have 5 different stages of grief. They have denial, anger, bargain, depression, and acceptance. This is deep. Visual seed, a description of the card as it looks like. So it could offer a meditation seed. Sentence is reflect upon the card meaning through a single sentence or to meditate on. And then lastly is going dark. We fear the dark. Yet sometimes we need to embrace our fear and walk through it. Ooh, look into a dark mirror. All right, simple way to read, advanced ways to read. Questions you don't like the answer. Questions which force you to change. Questions which make you deal with pain and pressure. Walking the cards. So it says it's time to meet the cards and their reflections. Okay, so they do not have photos of the cards. It's verbiage, but they do show the moon sign. So each card has their moon phase and visual seed, sentence, going dark, and then what stage of grief processing. So each card has these meanings, and then a one sentence thing to yeah, to meditate on. Here's the one sentence to meditate on. This is definitely, she wasn't kidding. This is definitely a deeper kind of a deck. So let me get my pinky skizzers out here, and we'll break in, and we'll have a look-see here. Okay, so let me see. Does it say there are no spreads or anything like that? So I guess, oh, okay, so ooh. Okay, I'm going to read this to y'all because this is pretty interesting. So far, I'm absolutely fascinated by this. So it says, a simple way to read the cards are when you feel sad and dark, when things look uphill, you are flooded by negative emotions and feelings. Use the Dark Mirror Oracle. Just draw a card, take the time to look at it. Let the card accompany you to the dark side. Look into the card for the reflection of your shadow. Your shadow is all about those negative feelings. Follow them. Then look away from the dark mirror and come back to the light. Take a big breath. Don't think about it too much, too soon, but think about it. Excuse me. That's some deep shit. And that's the simple reading. Wait until you see what the advanced reading is like. Holy crap, holies. All right, let's take a look at these cards. Nice cards, matte finish, which I like, and decent cardstock. So here we go. Triumph of Lies. And I believe these are the moon phases. And of course it's got the numbers. Ooh, the temple of my body. Obsession. Is this me? Gilded regret. These are some powerful, this is shadow. Absolutely, this is shadow. I think between this oracle and the dark grimoire, those two would be a powerhouse. These two will be a powerhouse for shadow work. Don't like that card. Don't like the Photoshop. It's like some of the artwork is done digitally, and then it looked like that last one was collage-y. So I don't know. I don't know if there's any more like that. Wow. Okay, that's a powerful card. Just looking at it. These are some heavy, deep cards, guys. If you take the time to look into these images, holy cow. Just in a matter of a moment. Quite interesting. Now, no, that one looks like it's digital. I don't know. That one card was just really funky. Wow, these are... I could see myself getting lost in these cards. Absolutely. going to be a interesting deck to work with. And I think I'm going to work with this in November, I think. You know, we're getting ready to fall back in the next couple of weeks. And it's going to get even darker now. And so, yeah. That's... I know that feeling very well. Wow. Full moon. Amazing. Amazing. So I would say this is definitely a terrific deck for shadow work. No doubt. Holy cow. Let me know what you guys think about this deck. Do you have it? What do you think about using it? I'm going to link Oya's Girl's video down below. You can go check out her walkthrough to this deck also. And yeah, this is getting down to the last few cards here. So, wow. That's another powerhouse card. And here's the last one. 32 cards, guys. 32 cards. All right. There you have it. The Dark Mirror Oracle. Tell me your thoughts on it. If you have it, if you don't, if you want it, if you don't, let me know. All right, guys. Much love. I'll see you next time.